Click on a specific profile to see more information about that individual, review their results, administer new tests, make edits, download their reports, and more. The first thing you will see is the profile individual's information. This includes their assigned profile ID, their basic information like age, height, weight, and sex, used to determine the normative data displayed on their results. You have the button option to take another test, and most importantly, below that, you have the individual's objective test data, categorized into 3 tabs: baselines, trends, and history. The first tab within a profile, baselines, shows the average scores of multiple tests taken, their consistency, and how the average scores compared to normative data. Click on the information icon in the top left to see more details on how normative data, displayed by the gray bar, and consistency, displayed by the colored bar, are determined. Within the Trends tab, you can see a visualization with how scores varied in a trending graph format. The colored shaded background and colored bar indicates the consistency of the tests taken during the baselines. Just to the right of that, you can see the gray line, also indicating the normative data range for that profile's sex and age. The numerical values from each test can be seen by touching the relevant data point or dot on the profile graph. In the History tab, you can see all the previous baselines and event tests taken. You'll be able to see the day, time, and specific tests taken during any testing session. You have the option to toggle to a chart view of the data and also see previous COVID symptom screenings taken in the last 14 days. Click on one of the testing sessions to view those specific results. At the top of the screen is the date and time of when the tests were taken. Below that is the scores from the session and how that compares to the profile's consistency range and normative data. You can click the left and right arrows next to the test name and date to see the other test data from that individual for previous baselines or event tests taken. By clicking Actions in the top right, you can edit your test to remove one of the specific tests taken, add or edit notes, and or download a PDF report. Back on the main profile screen, you can also click Actions here to edit the profile's information, download a PDF report from a specific test, adjust your calculations, assign a remote test for this profile, and view their profile ID.